So hello folks, and welcome to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. So what we have here today is we have this project that we've been watching. We have a playlist going where we've been following this project that's going on across the street from our project. So this is my neighbor's project, and this is a project where this fellow has he bought an old home here, and it was taken out, and he brought this new one in. And so this home now is ready for market. This is how he's putting it on the market. So this is a little different than ours, the way we do them. We like to do things what we call turnkey, where the new owners will move in and just nothing to do. Where this one here, you still have a few things left to actually get it finished off. So up there, those boards up on the eaves there, those are going to come off yet. That's just a thing for transporting, so the wind doesn't get underneath the shingles when it's going down the road. But you can see now the skirting is completed. They have a set of temporary steps built here. And you can see they haven't done much here as far as landscaping goes. So kind of what you see here now is what you get. And there's no deck here at all. Again, there's no eaves troughs. It's very plain. There's no decorative window trim. The doors are quite plain. And if you watch the video through to the end, at the end we're going to give you a photo tour of the inside of this. So this home is listed at $224,800. And if you want anything other than that temporary set of steps there, you're going to have to pay extra. If you want a deck, you're going to have to pay extra. If you want steps at the back door, it's going to be extra. There's no central air conditioning in here, and today it's 31 degrees Celsius, which is about 95 Fahrenheit. So yeah, we get pretty warm here. A day like today, you would enjoy some central air conditioning. So this park has about 100 homes in it, and it is in a revitalization mode here, and people have been fixing up homes here. There's about 3 or 4 of us in here that are working on things. You know, there's still work to be done here. So you can see the one next door here is an old holdout here. And I don't expect it's going to be around much longer. I think that's probably going to get pulled out and a new one will get put in here. But you can see across the street, here's another example of one that was redone, or actually taken out. So this is that's a new double wide home over there. Very nicely done. That was done about 3 years ago. And those folks bought that home 2 years ago for $195,000. It was sold in one day. The day that it went up for sale, it was sold. That's easily a $300,000 home now in today's market. And so down the street, you can see there's our project over there, and down the street is our other old project down where the black truck is over there. And so we've been working in here along with others to revitalize this park, and there's some pretty nice homes in here now, and the value of everything is just going up. So I know in the comments some of you folks are, talking about our ridiculous prices, and yeah, they are ridiculous, that's for sure. They're very high, but that's a reflection of our market and where we live. And people are paying those prices. We've also had a lot of talk about why bother with the old ones, just go new. Well, here's an example of a new one that this guy has been 6 months to this point now to finally get it ready for market. And I actually found out that he's had this new home, he's owned it for a year. It's been sitting at the factory on the lot. He's been paying storage down there, and he actually was going to do this in another park, another area of the city, but it didn't pan out for him there, and that little maneuver there apparently cost him $15,000. So that was just lost money that it's just gone. And that's the hoops that we have to go through to get a lot here. There's just no new lots being created for these kinds of homes. And so that's, you know, that's why we like to do the renovations. So this is probably going to be the last video on this one. We may give you an update once it sells, we'll see. But for all intents and purposes, we're done with this one. We watched this one go from start to finish, and you know, watch the old one go out. And if you haven't seen our playlist on this one, you know, give it a look, and it's kind of interesting. And yeah, just watch the photos at the end to give you a little idea of what's on the inside. Again, it's a very plain home. There's really no bells and whistles to it at all. And yeah, so this is probably going to be the last video for this one, folks. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.